Hello lovely bakers. Today we're making a soft aromatic oat milk basil bread with a delicious king oyster mushroom and potato filling. This recipe is perfect for retirees who love baking. It's relaxing, rewarding, and packed with flavor. Plus, it's entirely plant-based, making it a healthy choice. Let's gather our ingredients and tools, and I'll guide you through each simple step. First, we'll make amino acid starter dough 24 hours before baking. Combine 1,000-gram French flour and 800-gram raisin yeast water in a mixing bowl. Using a mixer, mix on low speed until the ingredients come together into a cohesive dough. Increase the mixing speed to high and continue kneading until the dough develops enough elasticity to form a thin, stretchable membrane. The next day, making the main dough, combine bread flour, French flour, sugar, salt, yeast, oat milk, starter, ice water, black pepper, olive oil, and our fermented starter. Mix until smooth, knead until it forms a semi-transparent window pane. This means the gluten is perfect. Now let's add freshness. Lay the basil leaves over the dough, then cut and fold repeatedly until the herbs are evenly distributed and covered. This technique ensures every bite has a lovely basil aroma. If you love herbs, feel free to add more. Place the dough in a warm, slightly humid place, around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, for 30 minutes. After that, dust dough with flour to prevent sticking. Press and stretch, then fold the bottom third up and the top third down, single fold. Rotate dough 90 degrees and repeat the folding. This helps develop a light, airy texture. Place the dough in a warm, slightly humid place, around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, for 30 minutes. Lightly oil the work surface. Divide dough into 150g portions. Cup each piece, applying gentle pressure to roll and tighten the surface. Place the dough in a warm, slightly humid place, around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, for 30 minutes. Then cooked potato cubes, tossed with salt, black pepper and olive oil. Mix filling ingredients. Flatten each dough piece. Place 65-gram filling in the center, then seal tightly into a round shape. Place the dough in a warm, slightly humid place, around 28 to 30 degrees Celsius, for 45 minutes. Remove dough and make a cross-shaped cut on top. Pipe vegan mayonnaise into the cuts. Preheat oven to 230 degrees Celsius, top heat, and 180 degrees Celsius, bottom heat. Bake with 2 seconds of steam for 15 minutes. Tap the tray to release steam after baking. Brush with olive oil and sprinkle dried parsley while hot. cool on a wire rack before serving.